Hello students, I Saurav Avasthi from Mount Litra G School, Jhansi. Today we are going to start literature part where we are going to start with the poetry part, that is the first poem of your syllabus. Students, today we are going to study about My Mother at 66, which is written by Kamala Das. In this poem, we are going to study about the relationship between a mother and a daughter, where the daughter is actually worried about her mother, that whether when she will return back, that she will be able to see her mother alive or not. That means a poem of fear, which we will study in this poem in the explanation. So let's begin with the introduction of the lesson. My Mother at 66, written by Kamala Das. This is a famous poem which is related to the capturing complexities of human relationships. The poem My Mother at 66 is one of the finest examples of human bonding. Actually, students, you know that whenever we love someone, we actually always get afraid of losing them. That is the most biggest fear of our life. Actually, it describes the pain and the fear of the poet here in this poem. Now we will continue with the summary of the poem. Here, what actually happened was, while driving from her parents' home to Cochin International Airport, Kamala Das notices her mother, who was sitting beside her dozing with her mouth open. Her mother's face was pale like a dead body. Now you can just realize that if you see the dead body lying just beside you, then how you are going to feel. So the same thing happened with Kamala Das also. When she saw her mother lying beside her, she was actually taking a nap. But a sudden fear and pain crops up in the poet's mind, and she realizes that her mother is old now and could pass away, leaving her all alone. Though the realization was alarming, but it was too hard to accept it. Though she was knowing it, that my mother is so old that she have to die one day, but still the fear was there inside her because she was going to lose her mother. So after passing through such a pain, Kamala Das decided to drive her thoughts away from the agony and pain. On looking at her mother's colorless pale face, Kamala looks outside the car. She started looking outside, where she saw that the trees were racing past and the speeding car were grim reminders. That time has flown by. The joyous children playing outside represent youth, energy, and life. So, like this, that means Kamala Das was probably reminded of her childhood when her mother was young. So, like this, she continuously looked out, and slowly they were reaching near to the airport. And finally, when Kamala Das reached to the airport, she was full of pain, but still, after the security check at the airport, Kamala Das looks back at her mother standing a few yards away, looking pale and grey like the winter moon. The poet senses a familiar pain, and her childhood fear of the thought of losing her mother comes back. Overcome with sorrow and fear, she bids her old mother goodbye and keeps smiling to hide her real feeling. And like this, she went away from there. She bid goodbye to her mother. She was full of pain, but still, she never showed her real feelings to her mother. She kept on smiling, and then she just went away. So this was summary of the poem. Now we are going to study stanza-wise explanation of My Mother at 66. Let's begin. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. So, the explanation for these three lines is the poetess explains that once when she visited her parents' house in Cochin, it was a Friday. When she was driving back to the airport, the mother was sitting beside her at the back of car. The poet looked at her mother. And in these lines, doors open mouth, her face ashen like that of a corpse and realized with pain. So the explanation is first before the explanation you should know the meaning also. Doze means nap, ashen means pale, and corpse means dead body. So here Kamala Das further explains that the color of her mother's face was like that of ash. She looked like a dead body. Now you can just imagine that how dead body looks like. So this was the condition of her mother, which was quite terrible. But still Kamala Das faced that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. So here poetess want to say that she changed her mind and she started looking outside the window of the car where she saw young children playing outside. They were just giving energy. They were enjoying over there. So she reminded of her mother's childhood, that she was also very energetic once when she was young. But now she is old and she is very near to die. So here when they reach to the airport, the lines are, but after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan and pale. So here student, the meaning of wan is dim or weak and the pale is dull or colorless. So here poetess Kamala Das wants to say that after reaching to the airport, when she was inside the airport after the checking, that means, so she was standing little far away from her mother, and then from there she saw her mother and she was just checking, she was watching from there that how her mother is looking very dull, pale, full of pain. Like this, that means she realized that my mother is near about to die, and she was afraid now that whether when she will return back, that means she will be able to see her mother alive again or not. So this was the fear which was inside Kamala Das now. And finally, as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar age, my childhood's fear, but all I said was, see you soon. Amma, all I did was smile and smile and smile. So here poet compares her mother to a late winter's moon because she had lost her youth and shine. And finally, the poetess senses a familiar pain and her childhood fear of the thought of losing her mother comes back. Overcome with sorrow and fear, she bids her old mother goodbye and keeps smiling to hide her real feelings. Like this, Kamala Das saw her mother at last and she was afraid that whether she will be able to see her mother again or not. So this was the poem My Mother at 66, which is written by Kamala Das. So students, I hope that you must have understood the summary and the explanation of the poem. Now I have given these 5 questions to you so that you can learn them at home where you will have the first question, which is what is the kind of pain and age that the poet feels. So here you have to write about the pain through which Kamala Das was suffering when she saw her mother, that she is so old that she is going to die very soon. So you have to write your answer in your own words. Keep writing the answers. And the second question will be, why are the young trees described as sprinting? So here you can see in the answer, while the poet was on her way to the airport, she saw the trees beside the road which seemed to be running fast as she was traveling in a car. It seemed as if they were sprinting. Here, now the answer comes. Here the poet tries to show the difference between her pale and weak mother, who looked like a corpse, and the trees that were running and were full of life. So students, go through the answers and then write them in your own words, that what you have understood from the poem. The third question will be, why has the poet brought in the image of the merry children spilling out of their homes? So here the poet have brought the image of the merry children to show the deep contrast between the joy and happiness of the life. So here the poetess have tried to describe the passivity of life. And now in the fourth question, why has the mother been compared to the late winter's moon? So here the mother has been compared to the late winter moon because the moon is in the winter season is dim and appears lifeless. Lifeless is important because here mother face and the moon of winter used to be lifeless. It doesn't look shiny. And the fifth question is asking for, what do the parting words of the poet and her smile signify? So in the answer you can see the poet's parting words, see you soon Amma. So the pain and fear of losing her mother. So here one can easily see that she is trying to hide her real feelings of pain and fear from her mother and tries to console herself and her mother that they both will be able to see each other again in future. So now we will meet again in the new video with the further part of the poem. Till then, stay at home, be safe and be healthy. Thank you so much.